Imagine if you could double your productivity overnight without doubling your workload. What if you could delegate your daily tasks to a perfect digital replica of yourself, someone who works tirelessly, doesn't need breaks, and handles everything from customer inquiries to social media management? It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, not anymore. You see, as a business owner, you juggle with a lot of things alone. Building your business, the strategies, finding leads, converting prospects into clients, handling customer support, asking SMS, replying to Slack and Discords, and 100 other things in between. It's a lot for one person. We figured there had to be a way to clone yourself digitally and let the clone do all of this work for you on autopilot while you relax and do what you enjoy doing. Go for a walk, focus on your health, spend time with your family, and other things that make you happier. And so we went into R&D, and after years of research, development, testing, and improvements, we finally had the solution. Introducing AIDuals, the world's first digital cloning technology. With AIDuals, clone yourself into a digital powerhouse. Instantly multiply your productivity without increasing your workload. Imagine your AI clone handling complex customer queries or crafting detailed marketing strategies, freeing you to focus on expanding your business or just taking the day off. Your new digital clone doesn't eat, doesn't sleep, doesn't get sick, doesn't take days off, and can work nonstop 24/7 on multiple different projects and channels simultaneously with a speed that you never could. The future is now. Creating your digital clone is super easy with AIDuals. Start by clicking Create a New Clone in your dashboard. Here, you'll give your clone a name and define its role. Choose topics your clone should know about and set a goal to tailor its conversation style to your needs. Upload an image to generate your clone's AI avatar or select a 3D character that fits your brand. Train your clone by uploading data or letting it learn directly from your YouTube videos, your website, your Instagram, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your custom documents, files, or simply by getting interviewed by the AI so it can learn about you by itself. Connect your clone to platforms like SMS, Telegram, Slack, Discord, WhatsApp, and so on, and it's ready to go. You can even pick from multiple 3D characters for your clone or create one using AI and then embed this clone on any website or landing page, or simply share the URL in your emails or using QR codes. The clone can ask users to opt in before continuing conversation. The clone can ask users to pay before continuing conversation, and the clone will speak or chat in any language that you want, making it perfect for anyone in any part of the world to clone themselves. Seriously, how cool is that? AIDuals clones can answer website customers, can answer clients for support tickets, answer SMS for you on your behalf, book appointments for you, answer Telegram, Discords, and Slack, close prospects into clients, and everything else that you can think of. Imagine using your new AIDuals clone to manage your e-commerce store's product listings, customer support, social media, and email marketing. With its 24/7 efficiency, you see a 15% increase in conversion rates, adding an extra $1,500 to your monthly revenue of $10,000. Next, your clone improves customer experience, bringing in 20 new customers and saving 10 refunds, each worth $100. That's another $3,000 in revenue, making a total of $4,500 extra per month. All of this happening 24/7 on multiple websites of yours. Compare this with you doing all of the work. Your profit alone, $300. Your profit with your new clone, $4,500. With AIDuals, not only are you working less, but you're also consistently growing your profits. No more worrying about managing multiple tasks alone, dealing with missed deadlines, or struggling to get everything done alone. No more spending thousands of dollars in hiring others, their fee, their salaries, benefits, taxes, and consultations. AIDuals clones you into a digital version that slaves away 24/7 for you. Whether you're a digital marketer, a course creator, a local consultant, or an agency owner, AIDuals equips you with a secret weapon to scale your business effortlessly. Smart businessmen across America and worldwide are replacing themselves and their employees with their AI clones, and you need to be doing the same. There's nothing to install, your data stays secure with end-to-end encryption, AIDuals enhances productivity better than you can, easily integrates with your existing tools, and it's so simple that even a child can use it. Create your AIDuals account and get instant access today. However, this offer won't last long, and the price is increasing every few hours. And if you act now, you'll receive not only our commercial usage license, but also some very useful bonuses mentioned on this page. Your AIDuals purchase is fully covered by our 14 days risk-free money-back guarantee. So see for yourself how effortless it is to manage your business tasks with AIDuals. And if you don't agree that it lives up to the hype, we'll refund every single penny that you invested. But the clock is ticking. To get your exclusive access to AIDuals with the commercial license, all the bonuses, and exclusive training on how to profit from all of this, you need to act fast. AIDuals is currently available for a one-time fee without any monthly cost or setup fee. Click the button below to get your instant access right now. We look forward to helping you streamline and automate your business tasks with the power of AIDuals AI cloning technology.